How to add border in Photopea. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add border in Photopea. So to learn how to do this, ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to log into your Photopea account, select a project. Once you've selected the project, select the image you'd like to add the border to. Alright, so to do this, just go to the top part of the screen and then click on your file icon. This is if you want to select an image directly from your computer. If not, if you want to select an image from the Photopea account itself, just go to the right side of the screen and then click on the gallery icon. Once you click on the gallery icon, the images available would be displayed, so you can just select the one that you would like to add a border to, and then you wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, you would see that the image has been displayed, so you can just close the gallery. And then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on the um the rectangle select. All right, mine is displaying ellipse select because that was what I used the last time. So you can just click on rectangle select, and then once you've clicked on it, if you want to have smooth edges, you can just work on the feather by adding you can just make it be 12 and then come over and then draw out the edge. But since we're trying to add a border, we would not add any feather. So needed, they can just draw out the rectangle to match the page, just like this. And then drop it, and then once that is done, you can now edit this rectangle to suit your taste. And then the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, and then where you can see the lower right side of the screen, you can see some icons. Then you click on the layer style. Once you click on it, select stroke, and then once you've selected stroke, in the box will be displayed. In the box you can see the current size of the stroke is just 3, so you can just increase this, and then you can now change the position. You can also change the color. All right, and then once you've selected the color you'd want to work with, just click it and then select the color, just like I'm doing here. Right, once you selected the color, click OK, and then just like that, the border has been added, as you can see. So this is how you can add border in Photopea. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.